Imagine that a cloud walks into a subway train, trying to get uptown.
Imagine that they're feeling under the weather. And someone's filming in ultra slow-mo on the platform.
At the speed of light and relative to the train, the flash moves outwards in all directions, hitting the front and back of the train at the same instant. Outside the train, the light moves relative to the platform, getting to the back of the train first and then the front of the train.
Because the light took a different time to arrive for each observer, their experience of the same moment is completely different. They would never be able to agree on what actually happened. So that might make you wonder, which of these was real?
You might say, what the heck? These circles are doing totally different things. Why is the center of the light circle stationary on the train and stationary when seen from the platform? Shouldn't the light circle be moving with the train when seen on the platform? Surprisingly, no. Because if it did, the front of it would be moving faster than the speed of light. Instead, the center of any light pulse is stationary for each and every observer anywhere. To truly share the experience of a moment with someone, you must be co-moving, or you will forever disagree on the ordering of events in the universe around you.
Now, to actually see this happen, we would need either a train going 99.9998% the speed of light,
or a slow-mo camera filming at 287 trillion frames per second to perceive anything different. But this is happening all the time. Time is relative for observers in relative motion.
But what about for stationary observers, like two people talking to one another? Is there any truth to the idea that we share a moment together? All that and more in a video coming out next week called This is the Beginning. So hit subscribe and hit the bell if you want to get that video right when it comes out. It'll be premiering right here. And before it premieres here, it'll be live on the Patreon if you want to support the channel. I'll see you then.